flowers bloom, with teacups clinking, joy fills the room. Moments we cherish, laughter in the air, nature's embrace, our worries lay bare. We'll dance to the rhythm of the leaves above, in harmony we'll sing, wrapped in nature's love. Let's raise our cups to the moments we share, with flowers and sunshine we conquer despair. The music surrounds us, we're lost in the beat, in this joyful party life feels so sweet. Walking hand in hand down a winding path, trees sway gently, joining in our laughs. The sound of music floats on the breeze, with every step our spirits feel at ease. Celebrating life, this beautiful spree, with flowers and teacups, just you and me. Let's raise our cups to the moments we share, with flowers and sunshine we conquer despair. The music surrounds us, we're lost in the beat, in this joyful party life feels so sweet. With hearts full of laughter we'll never part, in a world of wonder you have my heart.